Did she get it? I don't know. Hey friends. Okay, so I was sitting here and I was filming, yes, in my PJs because that's how I flip and roll. Okay, if you come here for professionalism, I am going to disappoint the mother trucking heck out of you. But anyways, as I was filming, let's not dox herself. This showed up. I don't know what all Ipsy sent, but I do know that they sent something. So this is my Ipsy PR for August, and if you guys don't know, there is a good chance that potentially my Unconditional palette will be in one of these boxes because it was a power pick, which means, thanks to you all, you have taught me that the power pick means that it's one of the 2 items out of the 5. You pick 3, Ipsy picks 2, and I have no clue because it's set in PR. Alright, so this is the Beauty Olympics, which totally makes sense. And we have, what is going on here? Ooh, yummy. The Perfect Chocolate Chunk Cookie Mix Craving. Oh, okay, so I got an icon box in here. I'm so excited over the Boxycharm by Ipsy, which is what this video is going to be. Hopefully you guys know that by the thumbnail. Did she get it? I don't know. I will unbox some of the other boxes in another video, but I'm so sorry. Like, you guys have no idea how excited I am for this box. This is the August Boxycharm by Ipsy. I know it says Ipsy, so if you are new here, Boxycharm used to be its own subscription and then Ipsy bought them. But my first video ever, if you caught my live, I talked about the first video I ever did in July of 2017 was a Boxycharm unboxing. Well, last year on my birthday, I, with OFRA Cosmetics, released the Unconditional palette. Well, Ipsy liked it enough to make it one of the power picks. I don't know if it's in here. Let's open it together. Okay, I took a sneaky peeky. I didn't see nothing. That's all I saw. Okay, so we've got this, but we'll get into that in a minute. You guys, it's different looking. It's in a box. Sorry. Wow. Wow. This is so freaking cool. I know I should have saved it till last, but you guys, I can't help it. I'm a Gemini. Okay. So here's my palette. This is so freaking cool. They have it in the box for you guys. Wow, I really like that they did that. Look at that. And you got code Hotmess will save you 20%. Wow. Oh, that's so cool. Wow, I love this. Honestly, I love that they put the shade names on the plastic. Wow, this is so freaking cool. Well, sorry guys, this is so amazing. I am so freaking geeking right now. Like, this is so cool. So this is like a limited edition type of setup that they did. Okay, so this is the OG, which is what, you know, the one last year would have been. And they so awesomely like created this specifically for Ipsy, and this is so cool. This it's crazy to think that this is me. Okay, I know if somebody's like, Rhonda, seriously, we don't care what else is in the box. Okay, listen, I care, because I'm just like this girl from Tennessee and Kentucky freaking in a box. Okay, this is so freaking cool. Okay, next in the box is a set of 3 face brushes, which is awesome because this is a face and eye palette. That was a whole reason why I kind of wanted to create this palette, I wanted to give you guys so much versatility. And if you saw my live earlier this week, I actually used this whole face palette plus my new Sweet and Sassy launch. I'm so freaking beside myself right now. This is so freaking cool. It is a BYOD brush set. I'm so sorry. I'm so all over the place, guys. This is such a dream come true, as crazy and goofy as it may sound. Okay, so here's the brushes. So you've got, oh, that's nice. This one is nice and dense, so if you are putting on like a foundation or what have you, blush, highlighter, everything you can use in my palette. I'm so sorry. Best day ever. The next thing in here, ooh, we got the Vacation Classic Lotion Broad Spectrum 30 Sunscreen. I really like the Vacation sunscreen line. In my Trend Mood box for June, I had gotten like a little facial one. And it's funny, we were just at the lake and my family was using that facial sunscreen. And they kept saying, oh, it smells so good, like when we were applying it. So I'm assuming this probably has the same scent, which is just deliciousness. I love this. Next in here we have the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which is a really good mascara too. I really like the wand on here because it really does kind of hug your lashes and, like, you know, volumize them. And then last but not least is the Lovecraft Beauty retractable, oh, it's a lip liner brush. Wait, is that, okay, so we have a lip liner, which I actually really like this shade. It looks very similar to the shade Hotmess Momma with a hint of maybe a little Gemini mixed in there, which are my liquid lippies with OFRA Cosmetics. And then we've got a little brush. Okay, so here's the thing. You guys know I always talk about things being curated well and properly. And I have to say, and am I being a little biased? Duh. I love that this is not a random lip liner. This is a lip liner that legitimately matches my palette. I really like that they chose a nude shade, which is in the shade Galactic Glamour, and it matches perfectly with the palette. And I'm so excited that OFRA, like, thank you, Vinny. Vinny is the one who creates all of these stickers, labels, everything. They do it in-house, and I know I'm just, wow. Like, I love that you guys get to see, you don't have to flip back and forth, like the names are right there. And wow, that's me, that's crazy. I love that it's in a box too, like this whole thing. But like I said, I really feel like this time Ipsy really curated a box almost like around this palette where it makes sense. It's not like a random lip liner or liquid lippy or what have you. It's just yay, you know. And I would say I'm kind of queen of sunscreen. I talk about sunscreen quite often. I love it, and I really do like the Vacation sunscreen. And then of course the mascara, love that. And then the brushes. If I would have changed anything in here, it would probably have been like different, like, I don't know, my lip gloss set. No, honestly, all in all, I'm actually happy with this box. I'm excited to see what my I'm sweating. I'm so beside myself with excitement. But I'm excited to see what my paid for box is. Now, you guys are going to be seeing this on August 1st, which means it's choice day. I'm fiddling with myself. I did not plan on filming, but it showed up and I was like, I gotta see what's in here, and I wanted it to be like a first impression with you guys. But August 1st is when you go in there and you make your picks and everything. If you do want to sign up for the August box, I will have an affiliate link down below. This is just such a full circle moment. And the cool thing is, like, I just launched volume 2 with OFRA Cosmetics. I have it on my cheeks right now, and it's a lot. It's so happiness. It is so much mother trucking happiness. Thank you to you guys. I will always be thankful for you guys, because the success of this channel, this launch, like, it's all because of you guys. So thank you to you all so freaking much. So anyways, like I said, if you are interested in picking up the Boxycharm by Ipsy box, I will have an affiliate link down below. If you want to just pick this palette up, you can actually find it at ultabeauty.com or OFRA Cosmetics. And of course, if you want to pick up my new collection, Sweet and Spicy, which I made sure to, when I was creating it, I listened to what you guys were looking for and wanting. You wanted a mirror and everything and more blush shades. They go together. They go together, guys. So anyways, thank you guys so much. If you made it to the end of this crazy video, I greatly appreciate it. You know, thank you to Ipsy for picking my palette to send out to people. Like, holy welcome, mother trucking moly. Okay, I'm hopping off for now. I'm gonna film the Icon unboxing and the Glam bag unboxing, but this one had to get its own, even if she's chilling in her PJs and a hoodie, because dang gone, dreams do come true, guys. Alright, until next time, friends, check me out on my other channels, Hotmess Momma Vlogs for Cover Girl Fashion Hauls over there, Hotmess in the House. Of course, Haley and I have a podcast. We're on a hiatus because they are in the process of moving into their new house and everything, and we will be back with that. I'm on TikTok and Instagram at Hotmess Momma 4. And until next time, as always, kisses from Good Tech. Mwah!